I was saying, tornado warning. Western Cherokee County tornado warning. Let's see what time it goes till. Come on, anytime now. There we be. 2 inch east at 18 now, so slowing down. Radar indicated tornado. So still intaking here. Rotations there. Right here. Got winds blowing in. I think what Springfield's worried about is this section here is getting concerning as well. So just a heads up, this is coming. So 3 tornado warnings, 2 are just in the coverage area. All right, that's it for this update.